All right, coming in here today, fixing on the other side of this floor. Gonna get this first patch welded in here. All right, coming in here today, fixing on the other side of this floor. Gonna get this first patch welded in here. So just a little quick video here. I came in and I showed you, how I did these floors. So I take the heavy seam sealer, heavy bond seam sealer. Now I put a second coat on here. Now I could sand this and make this all look good, but it'll be fine. Actually, the thicker the better. So I put a second coat on here, and I still might go up under the bottom and just smooth it out some up under the bottom before I paint the floors. But just coming in, a lot of these holes was not big enough for me to try to weld new metal in there. That patch over there, I put a new piece of metal in there. But the rest of these floors, and right in there, I welded the metal in, some metal in 3 spots there. But a lot of this here, these holes, I come in and just use that heavy seam. I have to clean both sides of the metal up, the top and the bottom, because when you put the tape up under the bottom of there, when you press down on this, it's gonna spread out up under the bottom and seal the bottom. So you want the bottom dirt-free, oil-free. You want it clean, nice clean metal, down to bare metal. So this heavy-duty bond seal both top and bottom. Then when I come over the top of this with the Port 15, these panels are really gonna be nice in this 79 Limited. You can't get floors for this. If I could get floors, I would change the floors in here. And like these back ones, I probably wouldn't have. If anything, I probably would have changed that front floor. But back here, had heavy duty bond and tape on the back side. And I'm gonna take you up under the bottom real quick and just show you. But this is done. All I'm going to do now is come in with the top coat, black coat, and I'm going to seal off these floors on the top and then eventually up under the bottom. And these panels are outlive the life. These floors are outlive the life of this car. So, okay, so like I said, I still got some taping to peel off here, but that's the bottom of these panels here. Now that side I didn't pull the tape off just yet because it's not dry. And then on that side too, if I probably run some more over the top in the morning. Make sure it's nice and coated and thick like I did on the other side. But this is it. Those floors, they'll never rot out again. I mean, and I'm gonna pour 15 in here. It's gonna stop any other rotten floors. And the only reason these floors rotted out like this is because of the patching that I did around that front windshield. What happened, water was getting up in there, and that hole in the roof that I repaired, water was getting in here, and what it would do is it'll keep that carpet wet, and that matting that they have on that carpet, it keep that wet the whole time. And that just sit there and rot. That's why the bottom of this car, the car wasn't rusted really bad at all. So if you look at this, this is what you come up with. So like I say, when I repaired this area here and around that front windshield there, that's the real reason, you know, that water run down from those holes being in there, and it runs down onto these floors, and that floor stayed wet, and they got this padding up under the bottom of the carpet, and once that stuff get wet, it stays wet for a while, and then that's why, you know, most of this floor is good. It's just these holes, small holes, that was everywhere. And that's what you end up with. And that's from that roof leaking up there and water getting in here and sitting, because both sides was rotted out. And that's why both sides, you know, and the driver's side is actually, it's got a few holes, but I still got to repair them. But that driver's side was really nice. So yeah, it's just from that water sitting in here. And a lot of times people, they'll store their car or quit driving the car back in the days, and they leave the windows cracked, rain get in there, and that carpet never dries. It just don't dry, you know. So all right, another one down. You like these videos, man, subscribe. Hopefully you learning something, and stay in touch. This 79 Limited to be for sale here is coming up pretty quick here. I'll get these floors done, and I'm gonna show you the stuff I use for the sound deadening. You're gonna be surprised, so stay tuned.